In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple instances of Microsoft Teams. If you are like many people juggling different projects, you might need to manage multiple accounts at once. This can be a lifesaver for those who work across various teams or with different organizations. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process in a few simple steps. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. You'll need to log in using your primary account. This is typically the account you use most frequently, whether it's for work or school. Once you've logged in, make sure everything is up and running smoothly. It's always a good idea to check that your messages and notifications are visible, ensuring everything is set up as you'd normally use it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge work perfectly for this. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams and press Enter. This brings you to the Microsoft Teams homepage. You might be familiar with this step since it's similar to accessing Teams the first time. When the web page loads, look to the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account details. This should be a different account than the one you first signed in with on the app. It's crucial you use a separate Microsoft account for this instance. So, if you have a secondary email address associated with another account, that's what you'll want to use here. Enter your credentials, and soon you'll have access to another instance of Microsoft Teams. Now you'll find that you're effectively running two separate instances of Microsoft Teams. To switch between them, you can simply toggle between the desktop application and your web browser. This dual setup can make it easier to manage tasks and communications from different accounts without the constant hassle of logging out and logging back in. It's a game changer for efficiency, reducing the need to rely on multiple devices. A quick tip: if you frequently need to use multiple accounts, it may be helpful to save the web version of Teams as a shortcut or bookmark in your browser. This way, access is just a click away each time you need it, making it both fast and efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to open multiple instances of Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you can easily switch between accounts and ensure you stay organized across all your team communications. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful.